Hi and welcome to this tutorial in Mice Toolkit. This time we will look at value types. They can be useful in many situations. We have a couple of images and we would like to perform an operation on all of these images. So in this case we would like to do a Gaussian blur. If we look a bit closer at the Gaussian blur, we see that it's governed by the size of the kernel given by this sigma. And we would like to have the same sigma on all of these, and we would like to control it with just one variable. What we can do then is that we can go to the node settings and we press plus here, and you can see that the sigma will show up. We do the same thing for all these nodes. And then we go to the value types, and we have a couple of different values. We have bits, numbers, and text. And in this case we use a number, and we like to use a constant and create constant. So we plug in this number to the sigmas, and we also connect the images. Now we can set the value of the constant over here. So let's pick the number 2. And then we execute the workflow. And as you can see, before we executed the workflow, this was just marked red. We can change it here and you can see it again. So let's take the number 3. Now you see it has the value 0 because it's not executed yet. But as soon as we execute the workflow, we see the number 3 here, and it's fed into these nodes and the operation is performed. And that was all I wanted to show in this tutorial. Thank you for listening.